Okay, if it doesn't work with the keys, could be you need to check this fuse, that fuse. Okay, if it's, yeah, you check this fuse. See, it'll be like this one. That's for the booth. That's to open the trunk. Right, it is working. I don't know if you can see. That's the one for the booth, okay? This one. Right? But or it could be this. Alright? Could be that. But that's not the problem. It's not the fuse. The problem is these wires. Look, see? That's the problem. Why your trunk or your booth don't open with automatically or with the keys. That's the problem. Yep. So that's not the problem, and it's not the fuse. It's a common problem. Check these wires. See? That's the problem. Thank you for watching.